So I'm Dr. Raj, a lifestyle surgeon, and a lot of what we do from day to day leads on to issues as we get older. In my experience, just treating the injury doesn't get the effect. You need to change your lifestyle. So I've developed these products. First product is Restore. Instead of taking Motrin or Voltaren, that'll reduce your chances of cancer, correct your blood pressure, reduce your inflammation naturally. And we have SOOTH. We have a natural base cream that can reduce inflammation. Great for post-op patients, but great for everyone. Stem cell therapy is about rejuvenation and regeneration. It's about turning back time. These are plant-based products, okay? Stem cell therapy is about repairing and rejuvenating. You can correct wrinkles, you can correct the spots on your face. You can slow the process of aging. Hopefully one day stop the process of aging. But we not only correct the injury, be it surgery, be it whatever, we then address your lifestyle afterwards. Any questions, just contact me at SSLA lifestyle.com.